and welcome to Gaeilge Inniu.
Díagwit agus fáilte go Gaeilge Inniu.
My name is Lisa and this is Colleen.
It's Misha Colleen agus Shahi Lisa.
We're the presenters and we will be playing the roles of Anya and Bara here.
It's muine na láirthirí agus is Anya agus Bara a bhés airing ansa.
Our goal is to teach you Irish based on your everyday activities.
Is é an spruc atá going ná an Gaeilge a bhúnacuid bunathe ar na gná imeachtaí lé a bhín agat.
Gaeilge Inniu is an app for learning the Irish language.
Is focloir Gaeilge Inniu chun an Gaeilge a amhlainn.
We've recreated all the benefits of a classroom setting on your mobile phone.
Tá mid tar éis buntáistí ile an teomaranga a acrothú ansa ar do gcóthán.
Each course is based around a conversation between two people.
Tá ga cuasa bunathe ar córa burta.
The best way to do this would be to have a buddy to begin the course with.
An bailach is fearr le hé seo a úsáid ná chun partner a bheith agat chun an cuasa a dhéanamh leis nó lé.
This helps you learn more and it can make the whole process more fun and entertaining.
Cuidíonn sé seo leat níos mó a amhlainn agus an próisis a bheith níos spríúla agus níos siamsúla.
There are 5 sections to each lesson. Section 1, read the script of the conversation in English and Irish. Section 2, read and listen to the conversation in Irish. Section 3, watch the video of the conversation. Section 4 is a vocabulary section which consists of verbs and grammar and more. And Section 5, Slack and Skype allow users to improve their reading Irish, written Irish, and oral Irish by chatting in a group or one-on-one and talking on Skype.
Tá cuid I ngach ceacht. Cuid a héin le script an córa as béarla agus as Gaeilge, cuid a dó le agus éis leis an gcóra as Gaeilge, cuid a trí féach ar físean ar córa, cuid a cethair ranóg stór focail le bríomhre gramadach agus a rille, cuid a cuaig Slack agus Skype chun carthabhairt dúsáideoirí lena cuid Gaeilge, scríofa, léite, clúis tuiscine agus cainte trí córa le grúpa nó duine ar gcuine agus trí caint ar Skype.
Welcome to the classroom on your phone.
Fáilte go dtí an seomáranga ar do gcóthán.
If you would like to take part in the course, download the app and register your details.
Mas mín leat páirte ghlacha sa cuasa íslódáil an focloir agus cláraic le do cuid sonraí.
And remember, it's free for a limited time only.
Agus bígí goinne gur bhfuil sé saor an aisce ar feadh tréimhse ama teoranta.
1,000 thank yous for joining us.
Gur míle maith agat as a bheith ling.
We look forward to seeing you again soon.
Tá méid ag tinú le sibh eáil a ríis gan bhfuil.
From now on, no more English.
A seamach ní bheith béarla ar bit ansa.
Gaeilge 1.
Slán!